Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're excited to announce a new part that's in the increasingly popular ginger color, our new inside door handle cup. This door handle cup fits the 68 to 69 cars, the 68 to 72 trucks, and the 68 to 77 Broncos. Made exactly like the originals, they fill the empty void in your door panel behind the inside door handle. Using high-quality plastic compounds, we have faithfully reproduced the ginger color, and it's the perfect complement to our other ginger interior parts. Molded with the correct texture as the Ford originals, they simply snap into place with the molded grippers on the back side of the cup. These door handle cups fit the left or right doors, and also the rear doors on car applications. So check your vehicle and order accordingly. So if you're restoring a classic Ford with a ginger color interior, look no further. Dennis Carpenter has exactly what you need. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X.